What's up guys, today we're going to be installing the new 12 valve engine cover. We're going to be installing it on this truck today, showing you guys how to install it on your own and everything that comes with it. So let's jump into it. All right guys, first things first, with the kit comes these two bolts that are longer than the others. Some of you guys already have them on your engines, but if you don't, we supply them for you. And then the next thing that will come with it are these rubber spacers here that we're going to put on. This just eliminates any vibration. And then after you get the rubber spacers on, that's when you go ahead and we're gonna put on the actual 12 valve cover itself. This just set right on top of the rubber spacers we put on. So then once you have that on, the kit will actually come with these two washers. So those will now go on top of the bolts. After you get the washers in, you're gonna go ahead and put on the final touch with the caps. We supply these as well in the kit. And then once you get the nuts on, you can just torque them down till they're tight. There's no torque spec needed. And then she's good. And she's on there, tight, no vibration. And then you're good to go with your 12 valve cover.